What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and update on Render. I wanted to do a little update on that because we actually we did not move that much for the last couple of days, but overall the price action has told us quite a bit. So we've had some bearish confirmations, unfortunately. It doesn't mean that there's no hope at all. But overall, I mean, we, as most of you know, I mean, Render has been very bearish for the last 10 days or so. And yesterday, with the bearish momentum we got after the interest rate decision, even though we are recovering a little bit right now, yesterday we actually did get some more bearish confirmation. And as most of you know, if you follow me and if you follow my Render updates, what I did say is that, like, if you take a look at the market structure right now, we were still very bullish, but when we broke down below this trend level right here, around $2, which coincidentally was also a very strong key level, in my eyes we were bearish and we were always bound to drop down towards 1.65. That was my opinion during that whole time. 1.65 is a very strong key level. It also, if you zoom out enough, it also has 1.55 under it to kind of support it. But there's also the 200 EMA coming there, which is a very strong support level. So overall, that was the level I was aiming for. And what we did the last couple of days is we had some bearish confirmation by just having resistance at that level around $2. So we actually broke down below that and then confirmed that bearish breakout with a retest. And then yesterday with the bearish momentum, we also dropped down below this level right here around 1.85, further confirming bearish momentum. But what does that mean? Does that mean that we're just going to crash down towards 1.65 and then from there go up? Or will we drop down lower towards 1.5? That's what we'll talk about. All right, so before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. But for now, let's get right into Render. So first of all, to start off positively, there is some hope. All right, if Bitcoin right now actually recovers, breaks above 25,250, dollar strength index keeps falling like this, then Render can actually stabilize. Then Render will be able to break above 1.85, stabilize in this area between $2 and 1.85. And then from there, we'll just have to wait for more direction or more things that happen in the market. And then we can get some sort of a real direction instead of a consolidation. So this is possible. Do I think it's the most likely scenario? No. I think we have received enough bearish momentum to get some sort of a bearish bias, and especially right now with the moves we got yesterday. I think even though the Bitcoin is recovering slightly, I think the overall direction is still down. And then if you include that with that Render was already bearish and that we are in a downtrend. We've had bearish confirmation, leads me to believe that even if we break above 1.85, we'll just be down there in no matter of time. And then we'll just, there's some more support at 1.75, I think. But overall, I think at some point of time in the next week, we'll break down below 1.75 and drop down to 1.65 and 1.62. That's kind of the level. So that's what I expect for now. I don't expect a huge crash. I mean, yesterday you could have also seen that we actually, when the market went down quite a bit, Render held up fairly well, right? So I don't think Render itself will be very bearish. I do think that there's still, I mean, we have gone up quite a bit since the 1st of January. And what we have seen is that cryptos that have gone up a lot since January actually tend to fall down harder. So even though at this point of time, my first price target to drop down to is 1.65, I do expect more bearish momentum after that as well. But that's something for the future, a future me to decide. For now, this is my short-term take on Render. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.